viewers, I am your Shobha Kochi. Today I am going to prepare and show you sambar recipe. It is called as a Udupi sambar or Kamath Hotel sambar. Try it once in your home. Please, if you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, we move to our kitchen room. What are the ingredients and how to make sambar recipe? Now I am going to telling about this one. Shall we move? Viewers, I am taken these ingredients. Say this: chopped tomato, chopped onion and coriander, and let us coriander seeds, jeera, dalchini or cinnamon, and clove and pepper, two clove. I am taken this, and some of Asafoetida, that is ingu, we call this one ingu, then curry leaves, then Bengal gram, that is kadle bele, then black gram spelt, that is uddin bele, then coriander seeds, and garlic ginger also I am taken. See here, red gram, this is a togore bele, that I am already boiled this one and keep in front of you. Then this is chili powder, this is arishina pudi, that is a you better know. Then garam masala, then salt. These are the ingredients that I am already going to make fry in front of you. Okay, let us come to our kitchen room. See here, I am going to fry our things one by one. See here. Two lavangas or clove, two peppers, okay. Then Asafoetida, this is ingu, cinnamon or dalchini, after I fry this black spelt gram, then this is a coriander seed, then ginger, here jeera. Afterwards I am frying it. Okay. I am going to put some of or little oil. Then I am going to put black gram spelt, that is urad dal or uddina bede. Then here coriander seeds, okay. Then afterwards jeera. I'm already all I'm put here. Let it must be fry. If we put Asafoetida and dalchini, the same smell comes like from Udupi sambar or Kamath sambar. Now I taken this. Next, I am going to put onion, then tomato and put here. I am going to put oil. Afterwards, frying it, we cool it, and then afterwards in a mixie jar we have to make a powder or like chutney. We have to do this one, okay, or in mixie we have to put, okay. Let it must be cool afterwards frying it, okay. You also put mint, okay. So let it must be cool. Yes, I take a vessel. I take and put oil for first curry purpose. Then I put jeera, curry leaves. There also I am put, and for curry leaves for I am also put garlic, see how it is. Okay, now I am going to put onion, chili powder, MTR sambar powder or garam masala powder, then arishina, salt, and tamarind water, okay. Tamarind water also I am put here. Let it must be must be fried. Now I import that whatever I am showed you ingredients, I mixtured this one and I make pieces, then I am going to put here, okay. See it. Let it must be fried or then I am going to put coriander also. Here coriander. Then dal I am also mixtured this one and I am going to put this one mixture, okay. and I'm putting some water. Let it must be boiled. It takes time sometimes. Super sambar it is. Okay. So this is how we prepare the sambar. Same it is as Udupi sambar or Kamath Hotel sambar. It is very easy to prepare. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay. Oh, nice, super.